Hey, what's up, Fit Soldiers? Let's talk about a side lunge, okay? So, sitting on a box, I like boxes for side lunges because it helps people get out of their comfortable range of motion, gives them a safety net to know that they're not going to fall on their butt, and gets this exercise a little cleaner. So, set up, so you're sitting with one cheek on the box, okay? That heel is about 2 inches off of the box. From here, we're sitting up nice and tall. And this ankle, knee, hip is stacked underneath each other. So foot out to the side, this leg is straight, feet are parallel to each other, head, shoulders, hips stacked, core strong. Okay, from here, I'm going to have a slight forward lean, dig into this heel, and stand myself to the top. Come back down, tap the box, stand tall. Now this is where we get out of the range of motion, comfortable range of motion. If someone's not able to get down that far, then we get down, and then you can just sit, okay? And then set the core, dig into it, stand back to the top. From the side, let me break that down. So here, again, we're a couple inches off of the box, sitting on the edge of the box, foot out to the side, and sitting tall, stand out of it. Come down, tap. Now, if this box is restricting your range of motion and you can go down a little further than that, come off of it. I'm going to come towards you this time. Feet still wide, coming down. You'll have a little forward lean out of this, a little more than, like I say, a squat typically, but that's totally fine. Make sure these hips are kicking back. Ankle, knee, hips stacked at the top, and challenge that range of motion. Nice and wide, down. Okay, getting low, core is strong. You can load this with a weight in your opposite of your working leg. Okay, you can load it goblet, you can load two if you'd like. Throw a sandbag on your shoulder. Lots of different options here. We can throw a band on this foot over this shoulder and load it there too. So get that side lunge strong. Get moving side to side because it doesn't happen as often as you think it does. So that's your side lunge. Get after it. Have fun with it. We'll see you soon.